Hey guys, Jack from On Mx5 Modified. I have now got myself a daughter, so I've now bought her some toys. I have got a ride on MX5. She won't be able to use it for a bit, but I've got it because I want to eventually modify it. So this is going to be an unboxing video. I'm still going to unbox it, test it out, go through all the features, and then we'll talk about what sort of mods I'm going to be doing to it, whether it's performance mods or cosmetic mods. I'm hoping to be able to make it look like my car in the future. So can't wait to get on with this project. I'm going to be doing it over winter. So let's get started. There we go. This is how it all comes packed up. Let me take this off. Okay, so it comes with windscreen there, then the seats separate as well. Looks like all the stickers, the wheels and the wheel trims. Then you also have a steering wheel. Yep, all the wheels, and then the roll bar as well. So it comes with an instruction manual. We will go through this and tell you how to build it up. First of all, it says start off with the wheels. So it is 2 washers and then 1 nut, and then you've got the wheel that goes over. Then we've got the rear wheels, which you've got to match up. There we go, and push it in. So you get it on hand tight, and then I'll have to do it, twist it from the other side as well. I'm going to leave wheel caps off for now, but they can go on. At this stage, steering wheel install. So I'll connect this up. There we go. Power cord is connected. Then it says to switch it on. So yep, that definitely works. Okay. Now the windscreen. That should just clip on. There we go. We also have a little wing mirrors. Carbon fibre effect ones, those are quite cute. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to put the roll bar on. That needs screwing in, so I will have to get a screwdriver out and screw them in. Put the steering wheel cover on. It's got its own little badge. Really cute. And that can go on. There we go. They just clip on. Now that's it built up. Don't think there's anything else. It tells you in the instructions you've got your foot switch, that'll be for, so probably can use that to go forwards, forward, backwards, light switch, swing movement, power switch. So we've also got as well remote control that comes with it. And it also comes with power cable as well, so you can charge it up. And the charging point is just here, just below the seat. So you need 2 AAA batteries as well. I will turn this on. Tells you what's what on here. You've got forward, back, curator, left, right, and stop. So, ooh. Also, you can choose different powers. Yeah. That's good. And then you've also got the doors that open with a push of a slide button to the side. It's pretty cool. So the light switch, which is right side, the headlights, tail lights. That's quite cool. You've also got, that one's a swing movement, it says, so you press it forward and it does that. Then you also do have foot switch, so that can be used for whoever's wanting to drive. So on this little display over here, got horn, music, so you can change your music on that. So I've been having a mess about for the past week or so with it. And I found out that you can connect your own music via Bluetooth, so I'll turn it on. And then you can press this button. And it should come up on your phone. Yep, it's connected. Let me to your car. And then I will play some copyright-free music. Just like that. You can adjust the volume as well. It does go quite loud. So on the remote as well, so you've got your speeds, 3 speeds. So start on the lowest speed first. Which is, the second speed is this. Then we've got your third speed, which is your fastest one. So yeah, it's a bit faster, that one. So one of the first things I'm going to do to modify this is sort out that ride height. That is just diabolical. So I'm going to drop that by quite a bit. I'm just going to try and figure out how to do it, but that'll be in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this has helped if you're on about buying one of these, being able to assemble it. It was very easy to do. Next is going to be the modifications, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Please like and subscribe for more MX5 content. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.